Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast on this Friday. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson. Today is officially 1 week after the landfall of Hurricane Florence. It was a Category 1 storm making landfall near Wilmington, North Carolina, as that Category 1 storm, 90-mile-per-hour sustained winds, and some spots picking up some 105-mile-per-hour winds. But again, heavy rain really was the biggest story there. The Atlantic may be acting up a little bit again. We'll talk about that. The enhanced severe threat in the northeast today, and then some heavy rain and flood concerns over the southern U.S. But again, with the amount of rain that we had, anywhere from 20 to near 40 inches, you can imagine how much water we've been dealing with. This particular river, Cape Fear River, earlier this week peaked at 3 feet above the record stage. And then, of course, you can see the major flood stage will take us even out into early next week. So flooding is still going to be a major concern within these areas throughout the end of September. So as we take a look at the Atlantic now, we have 4 waves of energy. National Hurricane Center watching this particular wave, high probability of tropical formation over that 5-day period. And then we'll have to watch that one, the track and trajectory coming west off of the western tip of Africa, something that we don't necessarily like to see at this time of the year. Eastern Pacific is pretty quiet at this point, no name storms. This moisture, though, you see over the southern U.S. is an association with Tropical Depression 19 from the Eastern Pacific. So this tropical moisture is really going to be wringing itself out and then moving up into the Ohio, Tennessee Valley. So we do have flash flood watches, flood watches, even some flash flood warnings into central Texas here this morning. But spots could see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches of rain, maybe even some isolated 5-inch tallies, again leading to flooding. Meanwhile, an enhanced risk is for weather today in the eastern Great Lakes. It looks like a later day threat. Large hail, damaging winds, can't rule out some isolated tornadoes, and then definitely some pockets of heavy rain associated with that. Look at how cool it is up north, 57 degrees, and then we're expecting a very big chill down coming up at the end of the month.